I don't know when, but Ryan Detrick probably does. He is chief market strategist at the Carson Group. I'm kind of putting you on the spot, Ryan, but you know this stuff like, better than anybody. It's been a pretty good start to the year for small caps.
No, it has, Sully. Thanks for having me back, and happy Friday. And hope everyone has a good 3-day weekend. It really has been. I mean, listen, it's been a good start to the year. You've just talked a lot about that. But the story of the year clearly has been the rotation, I wouldn't say away from tech, but into other stuff. And small caps done well. Now, I'll be clear. With small caps, we have seen these fits and starts before. So we're not totally sold on that. But what we are sold on, kind of like you've had most guests today talk about, it's a global bull market. There's a lot of participation. One more thing here. Various advanced decline lines on the NYSE, the S&P 500 are all hitting all-time highs. Market breadth leads price. This is still a healthy bull market and a global bull market, Brian.
Yeah, and you nailed it, as always. We've had these head fakes in small caps before. A lot of our viewers, listeners, they're watching, they're listening, like, I just don't know if I'm ready to pull the trigger on small caps yet. When will there be some kind of confirmation signal to you, Ryan, that this is real, or maybe it's not, and the small caps go back down? Is there any kind of a timeline that you look at?
Yeah, it's kind of like Lucy in the football with Charlie Brown, right? You think you're going to kick it, she pulls it away. It feels like small cap's been that way for a while. I mean, just simply looking at relative strength, like the Russell 2 versus the Russell 1000, we are seeing, some new highs breaking out there. But I don't like to say one or the other. We manage real money here at the Carson Group, like billions of dollars, and we are a slightly overweight large over small, but it doesn't mean we don't have small cap exposure. And look at mid caps. I mean, no one talks about mid caps. They're hitting all-time highs. I don't know if they did today, but they're hitting all-time highs also. So, you can have different buckets here, but I mean, listen, if you really think the Fed's going to cut a little bit more this year, which we're not so sure about that, maybe you want to have a little more small cap exposure, but just kind of own a little bit of everything is our take here.
Yeah, you know what? And you're exactly right. And shame on me. Nobody thinks about Peter or Jan Brady. They just kind of get lumped in the middle. Exactly. Everybody's talking about Bobby and Greg and Johnny Bravo. So let's go to that. How much of that is Fed exposure? Let's say we don't get another rate cut this year. JP Morgan, I think, believes we won't. So let's say we don't. Then what?
Yeah, if we don't, hopefully that means the economy is stronger, first things first. But that will also probably mean those small and mid caps don't do as well. But we've mentioned mid caps. We've overlaid mid caps with what? The S&P 500 equal weight. And that's a big theme we've been talking about here. The equal weight continues to go higher. I mean, just a couple of days ago, equal weight's up 0.5%, but the S&P's down about 0.5%. So that's, if my math is right, Brian, 1% outperformance. 318 stocks up last Wednesday, yet the market, quote unquote, was down. That's because of tech underperformance. But all in all, the equal weight, that's the story of the year. And again, mid caps tend to follow the equal weight. So that's maybe an area that we think is going to continue to do pretty well in 2026.
Okay, quickly, good start to the year generally portends good things.
That's exactly right. If the first 5 days are higher, like they just were this year, you're up like 85% or so of the time for the full year. And if January's higher, I know January's not over yet, then the next 11 months, Brian, are higher 87% of the time. Wow. That one's been on fire lately. It's been working. So we're not there yet. But listen, a good start to a year likely means this momentum is real. Fundamentals are solid. We just really, I know you're at the end here. We just released our outlook. We titled it Riding the Wave. And we think there's a lot of waves to this bull market still suggesting you want to be invested in this bull market.